Today happens to be the very great day at Anglo Afiaranyigba Senior High School. Today is the inaugural ceremony at the Anglo Afiaranyigba School. That is the inaugural ceremony of the governors, Board of Governors at Anglo Afiaranyigba Senior School. Everlove News happens to have the opportunity to be here today. So we are here to see everything from A to Z for you viewers.
Of the Republic of Ghana as by law established. So help me God. I had some of my police whistling, it's normal, so you have to take it easy. I mean, the students, some of them were whistling, That makes me feel at home. Now, the second one is oath of secrecy.
Create problem for the headmaster and staff in the running of the school. But that is not their core business. They are supposed to assist the headmaster and staff to run the school. You see, they approve the annual budget of the school. So, if the headmaster and staff prepares their annual budget and lay before the board, it's the duty of the board to look at the items in the budget. If there are some areas that they are not comfortable with, it's a matter of your job. No, headmaster, we don't want it to be this way. Can we do it this way? Then you move on the same wavelength. That's why you have taking the oath of office.
And whose shoulders after set continue to grow. We would also like to say that even though the old board is giving way to the new board, we will continue to count on them to provide us with the guidance and to also for us to learn from the experience as the old board of governance. We do so because governance is a continuum. So we will continue to learn from them and we will take over from where they left in humility, good counsel. And luckily for us, we still have on the board Mr. C. Kemensa, who happened to be my teacher in Keta Secondary School 1982, when he taught me mathematics. We will seek the interest of Afiase at all times. And let me state that the sweetness of the pudding is in the eating. In other words, have faith Afia said you have faith that we will not fail you. Thank you very much.